Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. We haven't posted in an extremely long time, but today we have an install for you. This has been sitting in the garage for 5-6 months, maybe longer. This is obviously from Autotecknic, as you can tell on here. Absolutely lovely piece that I haven't seen yet. We took a sneak peek, but I didn't actually pull it out of the bag, so let's go ahead and do that right now.
As always, guys, Autotecknic's a brand we always work with. Feel free to use code DailyDownshift for, I believe, a 10% discount off all their products, which is super awesome. Obviously, we've done intakes, and then you just got this guy.
Yeah, I had to do it.
What happened there?
I had to do it. Listen, some things happen. I'm not going to say what happened, but I'm sure you can put 2 and 2 together.
For how expensive we talking?
No, not too expensive. You know, we're still battling that one out.
Carbon fiber on the front, if you guys forgot. Apart from that, though, intakes, carbon fiber, the car is lowered. You got spacers on it as well. Still relatively stock, right?
Yeah, more or less. We want to do some more carbon, so hopefully we get some more in because this is a carbon piece. We haven't said what it is, but I'm sure it's in the title anyway.
Yeah, of course. Da, 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 da.
Boom.
Oh, man.
Bit of a different piece.
Yo, I didn't know it was gonna have this. That actually totally surprised me.
Completely different. They had the OG one that I think they sell from BMW, and I was like, no, I want a different one.
Yeah,
and this came out
sick. Yeah, so we're gonna have to transfer the M thing. That's pretty standard across all engine covers, but it's interesting. It's a very different design. So they have the holes here.
Yep.
And then you got the pattern. Really
so
cool.
Very different M pattern. So to loosen the engine bay, very standard. 13 millimeters for the front one, 15 for these ones.
We're not gonna change these bolts out. We're gonna reuse these. It's a new car, so everything should be good to go. Obviously, you can use power tools here, but it's his baby, so we're doing it the manual, good old manual way.
Screws are off, flying V. Oh.
Yeah, and this is a lot easier than the G80 I had because you don't have to take off any of these covers and then take out
dynamic suspension sensors, whatever they are.
You don't have to take that out, so that's really nice. This is a super easy job on the G80.
Alrighty.
Easy does it. So this is what I was talking about. Take a look at the back side of this. These things are very prone to breaking, so you have to be very careful. I did this in the cold, maybe that's why mine broke. So what we also did is we actually put on, was it black epoxy?
Silicone epoxy.
Yeah.
Just to strengthen the actual bottom part so it stays firm.
When it comes to carbon fiber, the biggest weak point is always any sort of attachment point like this. The M Performance carbon fiber products usually have these in plastic, but a lot of different manufacturers that sell carbon fiber always have everything in carbon, and so just strengthening it, why not? Doesn't hurt. So we're gonna go ahead, transfer the grommets over right now onto this, and then we're also gonna transfer over the M logo.
Nothing's gotta change, nothing stays the same. Change your lemonade until we all are going gray. Nothing's gotta change, change your lemonade and green tea. Oh well, we may never go our way. Oh well, it's nothing that we can't face. Oh well, it's never too late.
Boom.
Yeah, that's incredible. Looks great.
Oh, baby. Nice and easy. Okay, that's one of them. That's 2.
Yeah, we just gotta make sure it lines up.
Good.
Yep, it's right on it.
Is it?
From the looks of it, yep. Yep. There it is.
Look at that, eh?
Oh, that is real nice. Damn. Now we just need some more carbon fiber in here,
I know.
right?
Where are we gonna put it though?
Maybe some carbon fiber here would be good.
Okay.
Maybe even the strut brace as well in carbon fiber. That would look great. But
oh yeah, that's kick-ass.
it already looks way better. I mean, you got the intakes in blue to match the brake calipers as well. They're in blue.
Absolutely.
It's a good look. Car's really starting to come together now, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And of course, got to put the brace back on. Oh yeah, that looks great with the strut brace.
Oh yes.
With a carbon one though, it would look even better.
I think so, yeah. And then you said they have this. Autotecknic has this as well?
I don't know. I think they probably do. So we're gonna have to see what they got on the site. From Autotecknic, we also have this beautiful grille. This is probably the best thing you've added to the car in terms of making like a big difference, right?
Oh, for sure. And I get comments on it all the time.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So this is also from Autotecknic. Really cleans up the front end of the car, makes it look more aggressive. We'll get you guys a better shot at the end, but incredible. The only thing that we can really add in here on the side would be Mirror caps we got to get done, and then these in carbon as well.
Yeah, I mean, a lip would be nice. Some side carbon, side skirts, maybe like a little baby trunk spoiler.
Yeah,
not like a crazy one. I don't like the riced out look. And a diffuser.
Oh yeah, you don't have a diffuser. That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, a diffuser would actually make a big difference for this thing.
For sure.
A lot of mods that we can still do here, right?
Exhaust would be nice, like an H pipe. I don't know if you've seen those.
Yes,
or the Z pipe is what they call it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that paint is just absolutely gorgeous. Love it. In this lighting right here.
Oh yeah, with that beautiful,
paint.
beautiful brake dust wheels.
Yeah,
take a look at
that. Worth noting, this is quite a lot heavier than the engine cover we just put on. Obviously not going to be a massive weight savings,
no,
but if you want to, how much you think? Realistically, maybe a pound?
Maybe a pound, yeah.
A pound, 2 pounds maybe, so why not? We'll take it. Okay, so from this, for this one basically, we go until the click, which is right there. I'm going to go right to the center of the BMW logo right here, and then we're just going 90 degrees.
Nice.
So all the way to the left, like so.
Perfect.
Okay, so for this one, it's 20 pound-foot.
Good angles.
I'm just gonna, do one side at a time to make sure it's all balanced.
This is a professional M Tech division right here.
Yeah, there she is.
Wow, nice to have somebody work on your car though, to be honest. That's the actual beauty of this thing.
That's right, there's the daily downshift special right there.
Man, that blue and red though. Hopefully that doesn't discolor, but we'll see.
I don't think so. It's painted onto carbon fibers, so.
Oh yeah, it is. It's actually under the clear coat.
Yeah, so this will be real nice. Should stand the test of time.
I saw a race actually just today between the new RS5, which is like 640 horse, twin turbo V6 with hybrid.
Right.
This car's still faster. So it goes to show you, this engine, amazing.
Beast, yep, underrated beast for sure.
All right guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. This product is amazing. We haven't driven with it yet, but I don't think it's gonna make any difference whatsoever.
it might make a crazy driving dynamic difference.
1 pound less, you never know, okay? So, yeah, it's amazing. Shout out to Autotecknic. Thank you so much for that.
As always, 10% off using code DailyDownshift, basically off anything on their website. And hey guys, stay tuned. We will have more videos coming this summer. Obviously, I'm home, so we got some time. We got some things we want to get installed on this car. So a little bit more content coming your way pretty soon for the G80.
Yeah, we've been lofting. We have a couple things on order, so hopefully they come in soon because I want to get some videos going. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Peace.